In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if an item accepts gift cards. We'll walk through Etsy's built-in filters so you can quickly find items that you can pay for with an Etsy gift card, and then I'll show you how to confirm it at checkout. Start by opening Etsy in your browser. In the search bar, type what you're shopping for: socks, a mug, a poster, anything you like. Once your search results load, look for the option labeled Show Filters near the top of the page and click it. This opens a panel with lots of ways to narrow your results. Scroll down until you see the section called Ordering Options. Click to expand it. Then find the setting that says Accepts Etsy gift cards. Select that option. Etsy will refresh the results automatically. And now every listing you see is from a shop that accepts Etsy gift cards. This is the fastest way to avoid surprises at checkout. Choose a listing you like to open the product page. Many items have variations, so use the drop-down menus to select the required options. You might see specific names, sizes, colors, or even option codes in the menus. Just pick the ones that match what you want. If there are multiple drop-downs, make a choice in each one before moving on. If the listing asks for personalization or notes, type your text into the provided box. Follow any prompts from the seller about character limits, capitalization, or formatting so your order comes out exactly right. When you're ready, click Buy It Now to go directly to checkout. If you see a confirmation panel, click Buy It Now again to proceed. On the checkout page, select your saved shipping address or add a new one. This ensures you see accurate shipping and tax calculations. Now, look at the payment section. You should see Etsy gift card listed as a payment method. Click it to select or highlight it. That's your confirmation that this specific item and shop accept gift cards. You don't have to place the order right now. If you were only checking, you can back out after verifying. A few tips before we wrap up. Gift cards can typically be used toward the item price, shipping, and applicable taxes. If your gift card balance doesn't cover the full total, you can pay the remainder with another method. If you don't see the gift card option at checkout, return to filters and make sure Accepts Etsy gift cards is turned on, and ensure you're signed in so you can access all checkout options. And that's it. You've learned how to filter for items that accept Etsy gift cards and how to verify it during checkout. Happy shopping!